If you're looking for the best gas soldering irons that combine portability, power, and precision, you're in the right place. Today, we're ranking the top 5 models, from the weakest to the best, so you can find the perfect one for your toolkit. The Jade Sha model takes 5th place in our ranking. It's a super compact and lightweight gas soldering pen designed for quick touch-ups or light-duty field repairs. If portability is your top priority, this one's easy to slip into your pocket and use on the go. It gets impressively hot, up to around 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for small soldering or even light welding work. While it's powerful for its size, the Jadeshay lacks the refinement you'd expect from more established brands. It doesn't include many accessories or extra tips, and users often mention that the ignition can be a bit inconsistent. It's also not ideal for projects that require precise temperature control. Still, this little tool is perfect for hobbyists or beginners who just need something small, affordable, and easy to carry. It's a handy backup tool, especially if you don't want to rely on power outlets. And don't forget, links to all the products featured in this review at the best available prices are right below in the video description. In 4th place, we have the Weller PSI 100K. Now this one's from a legendary brand that's known for reliability and professional tools. The PSI 100K delivers consistent performance with a sturdy stainless steel body. And it comes with everything you need, from multiple tips to a stand and case. It's easy to see why so many technicians swear by Weller tools. However, while it's durable and built to last, its maximum temperature is lower than most of its competitors. At just over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it doesn't reach the same high heat range as other butane soldering irons, which limits its flexibility for heavy-duty jobs. It's also one of the more expensive kits on the list. That said, if you value reliability, clean design, and professional build quality over raw heat, this Weller is a dependable choice. It's perfect for electronics work, car wiring, or anything that needs controlled heat rather than brute force. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews like this one. Coming in 3rd is the Berkeling Tools BSG 568, and this one's all about versatility. It's not just a soldering iron, it's a complete 3-in-1 tool that works as a torch and heat blower as well. This makes it super handy for everything from shrinking heat tubing to light brazing. The self-igniting function makes it quick and easy to start, and it's very portable for mobile repair work. While it's a great all-rounder, it's not without its flaws. The tips don't last as long as those on more premium models, and the fuel capacity limits you to around 90 minutes of continuous use. Its heat control is decent, but not as precise as professional-grade stations. Overall, the Berkling is an excellent pick for hobbyists, DIYers, and technicians who need flexibility in a compact package. It's light, powerful, and does a lot for its price, a fantastic middle ground option for most users. In 2nd place, we've got the Lexavon LX771, a step up in both performance and durability. This model hits a solid balance between power and practicality. With its high maximum temperature and large butane tank, it delivers up to 2 hours of continuous work time. The metal tank construction feels sturdy, and the adjustable flame gives you more control over your tasks. However, this one's a bit heavier and bulkier than some of the smaller irons. A few users have also mentioned occasional ignition issues, so you may need a quality butane refill to keep it running smoothly. Still, when you look at the overall package, the heat output, build quality, and versatility, it's a great value pick. The Lexavon LX771 is best for those who want a balance of performance and convenience. It's ideal for technicians, car mechanics, or anyone who needs a tool that can keep up with long work sessions without constant refilling. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Master Appliance UT 100 SICK. And this one's a real pro-level tool. It's built with precision and durability in mind, using ultra-tip technology with thick copper plating for long-lasting performance. The versatility is unmatched. It works as a soldering iron, a hot air blower, and a pinpoint torch all in one. What really makes it stand out is its ability to reach up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit in torch mode. That's higher than almost any other model in this class. The construction feels premium, and it's designed to handle tough professional jobs day after day. Its only real drawbacks are that it's a little pricier and has a slightly lower wattage range. But in terms of build quality, reliability, and precision, the UT 100 SICK clearly earns the top spot. If you're serious about your work and want a soldering iron that won't let you down, this is the one to get. So there you have it, the top gas soldering irons ranked from the most basic to the best. Each one offers something different depending on your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, check out the links in the description for the best prices on each model. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, hands-on product reviews.